Hi everyone, welcome to the vendor info Xoro tutorial. We're gonna quickly go over the vendor info module in this guide. So let's pull up the module. It's a great little module for overviewing your vendor balance and transactions. Just it's similar to the customer info page, it's just on the vendor side of things. So for example, if I select a vendor here, I can at the bottom, quickly see all the transactions for this vendor. I can select, which ones I want to see. So if I don't want to see bills or bill payments, I can just do that. Or if I only want to see bills and bill payments, I can do something like that. The PO info tab shows all the POs for this vendor. I can basically double click and open the PO straight from this page. Communication shows me any emails that have been sent to this vendor. This top part shows all the details. There's an edit functionality, so this will open up the vendor, and then I can actually open it up and edit it from here. And the balance part is probably the most useful part of this module. Basically, if you can drill down this vendor balance here, it's going to show you exactly how this vendor balance came to be. So for example, the bill is due. I can click on this. It's going to open up those bills that are due that are worth 10,893.43. And so I can do that for all the lines here. And then if I do this for the total, it's going to give me a summary of how this total came to be. So it's going to include all the bills, prepayments, and vendor credits that comprise this total. So it's a great little way to view your vendor balance quickly and efficiently.